I wasn't gonna show anymore, but kind of too crazy not to. Like, look at this, man. What a fucking, look at this. There was just like thousands of cars on the road back there. Look at, everything is underwater, okay? This is usually not. This is, actually, I've never seen it like this. This is crazy, man. Like, this is absolutely nuts. Like, the whole Lake Ontario has receded up over into this land here. Look, that's not the lake. The lake is over on that side, but past those trees over there and past those farms. Wow. Look at that, man. That's not supposed to be a lake. Like, yeah, rain, a lot of rain is one thing, but like, this is fucking crazy. Look at that, man. As far as you can see, that's not supposed to be water. That is water, but it's not supposed to friggin' be. Same with over there. That's not supposed to be. Way beyond those trees and those houses is supposed to be Lake Ontario. But that's Lake Ontario, and now this is Lake Ontario. Or at least the water that came from it. Wow, not cool, man. Not cool. Look at that. That's fucking a flood, man. It goes, that's like miles back it goes. All that white you see, that's the fucking rain. That's the water. Look at that. All flooded. Those are houses back there. The tops of houses and stuff, man. Fucking sin. What a fucking sin. Look at this, man. Like, this is tops of houses back there. Look at those ones. They're good, looks like. They look alright. These ones look alright. But look at this water. Like, these are treetops, man. Over there, like, some of them. Talk about damage or what, man. Look at all those houses back there. They're like, it looks like they're up high, but their fucking basements are underwater. I guarantee you, it has to be. They have to be. They have to be underwater, man. That's crazy.